Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button to get the latest updates of my videos. Today, we are going to explore how to generate Blue Ocean template and framework by using Jeda AI platform. Actually, it will help you to create uncontested market space. So let's dive right in. First, let's talk about what the Blue Ocean strategy is. The Blue Ocean strategy is a business approach that focuses on creating new market space and making the competition irrelevant. It encourages companies to pursue differentiation and low cost simultaneously to open a new market and create new demand. The Blue Ocean strategy consists of several key components like value innovation, 4-action framework, strategy canvas, and also 6-path framework. Now, let's see how can we use the Jeda AI platform to generate Blue Ocean template and frameworks. Jeda AI provides an intuitive interface that leverages AI to help you craft innovative strategies. Let's log in and get started. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Blue Ocean strategy section. Here, you can create new templates or frameworks or modify existing ones. Let's create a new template for our hypothetical company, GreenTech Innovations. Let's start with the value innovation section. Our company aims to combine eco-friendly technology with affordability, creating a new market space. Jeda AI's AI-powered suggestions can help us articulate this innovation clearly. Next, we will move on the 4-action framework. This involves 4 key actions: eliminate, reduce, raise, and create. Using Jeda AI, we can identify specific factors to eliminate, reduce, raise, and create to deliver unique value. Now, for the strategy canvas. This value tool helps us plot the current state of play and see where we can stand out. Jeda AI can help us generate a strategy canvas that highlights our differentiators. Okay, let's quickly go through the remaining section, which is called 6-path framework. This framework helps us systematically explore new market opportunities. Jeda AI provides insightful suggestions and helps us complete this section efficiently. And there you have it. Our Blue Ocean template is complete thanks to the Jeda AI platform. This tool makes it incredibly easy to brainstorm, refine, and document your innovative strategies all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and especially share it with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to subscribe on more contents about business strategies and productive tools. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.